Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of kitchen convenience with the Ganiza Immersion Blender 5-in-1 hand blender, a powerhouse kitchen tool featuring a robust 1000W full copper motor that promises 3 times the service life of common motors, allowing you to tackle blending tasks quietly and effortlessly. This modern-style blender boasts a sophisticated, scratch-resistant stainless steel body and SUS 304 stainless steel 4-leaf blades, perfect for whipping up smoothies, soups, baby food, and more in just 15 seconds. With 16 speed modes, including a turbo boost, you have precise control for all your blending needs, ensuring you can handle everything from delicate sauces to hearty batters with ease. Cleaning is a breeze with detachable, dishwasher-safe parts, while the electronic components and chopping bowl lid can be wiped clean with a damp cloth. The Ganiza blender package includes a versatile set of attachments: an 800 ml mixing beaker, a 600 ml chopper, a whisk, and a milk frother, all designed for easy snap-on/off use to make multitasking in the kitchen a seamless experience. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or looking for the perfect gift, this professional-grade hand blender is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great kitchen gadget reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.